I just want to make sure I understand why this would catch your eye in the first place. You are obviously an investigative reporter. Did you see these two deals and think, I wonder if there's a connection because the UAE transfers $2 billion to the Trump-Witkoff family crypto business, and then the Trump administration turns around and hands over to the UAE hundreds of thousands of these super important chips? Like, is that what initially piqued your interest?
That's right.
Okay, so what did you find? Were the deals related, and how did they come about?
So as our team of reporters worked on this, what we found was there were more linkages.
Oh, fuck! Oh, fuck! Jesus Christ! You got your emergency flashers? Holy shit. What the?
Slow down, and I'll just...
Yo, he's bugging, he's bugging. Yo, hold on.
Slow down, you have to slow down.
Yo, listen to the driving instructor.
Keep on going straight. You're not able to
Listen to that instructor, you're wilding. Yo! Hold on. Oh my. Alhamdulillah. Open the door.
Dude, there's a car in front of them. You f***ing idiots, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. So f***ing dumb. Wow, that was so